ഫുൾ ടൈം പുതുപ്പിനടിക്കണം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് നിന്നെക്കുറിച്ച് ഇങ്ങനെ അടിച്ചിറക്കാമെങ്കിൽ ഈ നാട്ടിൽ മസ്ലിം പഠിപ്പിച്ച് കിടക്കുന്ന എന്നെക്കുറിച്ച് എന്തൊക്കെ പറയുന്നുണ്ടോ?
Joji is one of the modern film in the Malayalam film industry. A short story is presented beautifully. Here I am evaluating the consequences of the film through the eyes of Albert Bandura, the American psychologist who is known for his classic Bobo-doll experiment. The need of the subject. It is the need of the day to evaluate the contemporary arts, especially the modern films, in the way of psychology, because the present environment is the result of the past ideologies and expressions in various ways. Evaluating the film Joji from the point of observational learning is a need of the time, because today's expressions are going to be the environment of tomorrow. Observational learning gives us an idea about how a child is learning through observations. Films are one of the main observing factors for the children. Therefore, the films should be able to convey a pleasant and positive idea to the people who watch it. Observational learning. Observational learning is a method of learning that consists of observing and modeling another individual's behavior, attitude, or emotional expressions. Although it is commonly believed that the observer will copy the model, American psychologist Albert Bandura stressed that individuals might learn from the behavior rather than imitate it. Albert Bandura, known for the classic Bobo-doll experiment, identified this basic form of learning in 1961. The importance of the observational learning lies in helping individuals, especially children, to acquire new responses by observing others' behavior. Albert Bandura stressed that their environment could determine people's behavior. Examples of observational learning are: an infant learns to make understand facial expressions. A child learns to chew. After witnessing the older sibling is being punished for taking a cookie without asking, the younger child does not accept the cookies without permission. The social learning theory of Albert Bandura emphasized the importance of observing and modeling behavior, attitude, and emotional reactions. The four processes of observational learning are attention, reattention, production, and motivation. Joji, the tragic drama that features Fahad Fazil as a leading role, has been released in Amazon Prime Video. According to the director Dilesh Pothan, Joji is a film that they have attempted to make taking inspiration from Shakespeare's Macbeth. Joji is an unemployed engineering dropout who aspires to become a wealthy NRI. He is a younger son of Anachal Kuttappan, a wealthy planter. However, Joji is often ignored and mistreated by his father and elder brothers. When Kuttappan suffers a stroke, everyone except his eldest son Jomon shows indifference to his imminent death. But the patriarch bounced back in no time, surprising his family. However, Joji finally does the unthinkable to break free from his father's dominance. Application. When we evaluate the film Joji from the observational learning, it is a threat to the upcoming generations. A study shows that almost 70% of the children are familiar with the film Joji through the OTT platforms. I have witnessed little children speaking the dialogue from the movie Joji. It's an influential character to the children below the age of 15. Observational learning is a method of learning that consists of observing and modeling another individual's behavior, attitudes, and emotional expressions. Behavior and attitude. The director had done tremendous work to express the behavior and attitude of the character Joji. I hope that there is no need of explaining the nature and attitude of the character Joji, since you all are well familiar with the character. There will be many Jojis in the future because the character Joji is an influential one to the young people, especially among the boys. Because it is an influential one, the observational learning is taking place here. Observational learning is a method of learning that consists of observing and modeling another individual's behavior, attitudes, and emotional expressions. Therefore, what they have learned will be expressed in the future. The way how Joji treats his father gives you a wrong ideology, especially to the children, because it has a comic nature. Solutions. As we all know that There is a censor board to control the violence through the film. Sadly, the censor board is not anxious about the psychological impact of the modern cinemas in the society. In my personal opinion, I would say that the censor board is a toy at the end of a toy handled by some particular people. Georgie is a gripping danger that can cause future problems in the society, especially in families. Imitating the character Georgie will make future criminals in the community. The film Georgie will be an actual story in the coming days, is what the observational learning theory states.